Hello, my name is Jordan Dawes, and this is my review using Quality Matters of a Coursera course on Indigenous Canada. The first thing you're going to notice about this course is that the first thing you see is a little blurb of what you may learn in this class. It's very short, it does not give any clear objectives, so it's lacking. There's nothing measurable about this. If you go down, you learn what university this course is through. It's through the University of Alberta. And then you see the faculty that it is taught by. Now, there is no way to contact this faculty. There's no links provided, no office hour times, no clear meetings stated. And I find that to be a struggle from the very beginning. I want to be able to know how to contact my professors and when they're available, how long it may take them to get back. A lot of syllabi that I've seen contains that, but this one does not. The next thing you see on this page is commitment, language, how to pass, user ratings. To me, that's all irrelevant because that can change from learner to learner. If you continue going down, you see the syllabus. The first thing I notice from this syllabus that is missing is that there is no point graded system that is clearly stated, and that is something that bothers me. I like to know how much each thing's worth, a schedule of events, kind of a timeline. I don't really see that. What I do notice is that this is broken down into modules. You can read the little introduction blurb that it includes. This does not have measurable objectives either. It tells you what you're going to be looking at that week, but not necessarily specifics that are measurable. It tells you that there are 4 videos and 2 readings, although there are no links provided to 2, 3, and 4 video or the 5 and 6 reading, so I was unable to tell if those were relevant. But what I could watch from the introduction video, I did enjoy that. The professors introduced themselves, and it was pretty engaging. They used music from Indigenous Canada, bright colors, paintings, stuff like that to show and kind of capture you in. I thought that was interesting and a different twist, something I haven't really seen before. It looked very professionally done. And then the only thing I can tell that's really graded in this course is quizzes, but like I said, there's not a clear breakdown of how much each of those are worth. As we go down, we can see that it's the same setup for each one, which I think fits Standard 8 pretty well. It's easy to use. The multimedia is easy to use if students are able to access those. Although there's no clear citings for any of the things that they use, none of the readings are cited, so I still was unable to get to those. None of the videos were cited. And one thing that really I think is lacking from this course is Standard 5. There's no interaction between learner or really learner-instructor. The only thing there is videos for the learner to watch. There's not even responding to content through discussions or blogs, and I think that that's really lacking, and all that could be very much improved upon in this course. There's no support of technology. There's no links if you have technology help. There's no what you need for this course, letting you know before you sign up for it. There's no links to tutoring. The only real link we have to the university is through this little icon here telling us where it was created, and you can't even click on it. So overall, I find this syllabus to be very lacking. Looking at the Quality Matters rubric, I think that there can be a lot of improvements made. Thank you.